Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic for today is how to trade NASDAQ 100. So I'm gonna tell you the secrets on how to trade NAS 100. So please watch the full video. Before we get to it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I think we should get right to it. I will do a video on explaining what is NASDAQ 100. I will do a video explaining what is NAS 100. I'll do that. But for now, I just want to show you guys on how to trade this pair. It's easy to trade this pair. It's extremely easy. Just people make it a bit difficult with their charts, but it's pretty much easy. As you can see here, as you can see the structure, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. I just wanted to show you on how it moves. Impulse, correction, bigger impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So we can already see that the structure is to the upside. Impulse, correction, sorry, not me, correction, then impulse. You can see that the momentum for NAS 100 is to the upside. So we're gonna go down to smaller time frames. We're gonna go, as you can see, it has been rejecting, showing us that we're still going to the upside. So let me just go down to the daily time frame so I can show you on the daily time frame what I see on NAS 100. So the secret to trading NAS 100, I'll show you as I go down to smaller time frames. I trade this pair like other currencies that I trade, but the difference is that this one, the risk management, I check the risk management because this pip value for this trade is extremely high. So when I started trading NAS 100, I opened account separately just to see how it works with the pip value, and I did blow my trading account, that trading account that I deposited into a trading account that I know that I'll only trade NAS 100 because I wanted to see how it moves, how the pip value is, and I did see it, but the pip value was too much. So that's when I knew that I have to have a separate account for NAS 100, because the pip value is too high. It can make you a lot of money within minutes. It can blow your trading account within minutes also, with just a simple 5-minute candlestick. With just a 5-minute candlestick, then that's when you can see that this pair is extremely high in pip value, because maybe there are 100 companies in it. Those major companies are Amazon. As you know, Amazon, because of COVID, a lot of people are buying things online. And we have Facebook. A lot of people are using Facebook now because they're indoors. We also have Tesla in the NASDAQ 100 group, and lastly we have the Apple So there are 100 companies in the NASDAQ 100 index. There are 100 companies, so I was just telling you a few about NAS 100. You can check it out for yourself. That's why it's still moving. That's why it's still moving to the upside, because the companies that are inside, they're making more money because of the COVID-19. So as you can see this on the daily time frame, this is a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. So as we know what a reversal pattern does, let me just show you what it wants to do. I will just go down to the smaller time frame. Now I just want to show you on the this is a reversal pattern to the downside. So what will happen here is we're expecting a third touch on the daily structure. We're expecting a third touch here. It won't take long for it to come here, because it moves heavily. So as you can see, let me just go down to smaller time frames so I can show you what I am seeing here on NAS 100. If you did check my previous video, you're gonna see that this is the analysis that I had on NAS 100. This is what I was expecting. As you can see, this is a continuation pattern to the upside, so we're still going to the upside. I just want to show you quickly about this reversal pattern, that when a pair, just want to show you, let me just do this. When a pair, the momentum for the pair is to the upside, normally we do not take the sell, because what it normally does is, as you can see, this is a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern for NAS 100. Let me just show you what the possibilities are for this pair. As you can see, obviously this is going to be our third touch. This is obviously going to be our third touch on the 4-hour time frame. But because we know that the momentum is to the upside, what it can possibly do is break the structure here, then go for a retest. Go for a retest, and then it will go down, or it will move in a continuation manner. It will move in a continuation manner. Then we know that the structure or the momentum is still to the upside. So this is what it can do, because we saw the structure. So this is how it can move. It giving us opportunities for buy entries. So you have to be extremely careful. Pairs like this, I normally wait for buy entries instead of sell entries, because the sell entries normally are short-term trades. So I like long-term trades, so I normally wait for buy entries on pairs like this. So this is what might happen. Might do the third touch, go down, break the structure here, do a retest, but move in a continuation manner. This is what it may do. Maybe when it gets here, then that's when we're going to the upside for long term. This is what I have for NAS 100. I will just go down to smaller time frames. Go down to smaller time frames and show you what it does. So as you can see, for the 1 hour structure, this is what we have. But what I wanted to show you about NAS 100, it's pretty much simple. It's just the time frame. It's a smaller time frame. We're gonna do or put our entries on the smaller time frame instead of the bigger structure. As you can see, there are many continuation patterns, so there are many opportunities in NAS 100. There are many opportunities, as you can see. I just want to show you the continuation pattern that I'm seeing here. These are the continuation pattern that I'm seeing. So normally what I do when I enter a trade, wait for it to break, usually come for a retest, then that's when I go up with it. So this one here did do a reject. I missed it, but I'll get my entry. I'll definitely get my entry, because I'll just go down to the smaller time frame. Normally in the smaller time frame, that's when you get the opportunities that you missed. That's when you get them. As you can see, this is the 5 minute time frame. This is the 5 minute time frame. It's trying to do a reversal pattern here. It's trying to do a reversal pattern, as you can see here. This is what it's trying to do now. So what I will do, I will wait for continuation pattern. But for now, what I see is that it wants to do something like this. On the structure, normally the structure, this is the 5 minute time frame. This is the secret. I wanted to show you guys that a lot of people, when trading NASDAQ, they enter on the smaller time frame. This is what I wanted to tell you guys, that they enter on the smaller time frame. So this is what might happen, but obviously I will wait. In order for me to enter this trade, I'll wait for it to break in a continuation manner. I'll just show you what a continuation is. I'm sure you have seen it, you understand what it's a break. Retest. And this is how it moves, and that's when I know that I'll be ready. So this is how I trade NAS 100. I go to the smaller time frame. I know with the smaller time frame, my stop loss will be tight and my entries will be on the wicks. I know if I enter the trade on the 5 minute time frame and then wait for the 1 hour candlestick to close, then I know that I will enter on the wick, I will get more weak entries. Weak entry, maybe I will enter it here on the 5-minute time frame. When it closes like this, and this is a weak entry. That's why most of my trades are weak entries, because I go to the smaller time frame. Even though the 1-minute time frame, you can use it. Let me just show you. On the 1-minute time frame, you can also use it. Let me just remove these old ones here. If you wanted a buy opportunity on the 1-minute time frame, you're gonna do something like this. This is the 1-minute time frame, and you know your stop loss will be quite small or quite tight, because as you can see, this is a continuation pattern to the upside. This is the 1-minute time frame. You can also trade on the 1-minute time frame. You can also do that. You can also do that. Enter your trade. Let me just show you. Long position. You enter your trade here. Target is gonna be up there. Your stop loss is gonna be somewhere here. So as you can see, it's moving heavily to the upside. So if you entered your trade here, your target is gonna be here. Risk ratio is 1:5. It's perfect, because our minimum risk ratio is 1:3. So you know it's still going to the upside if we take it to the bigger time frame. But as you can see, this is how we eat on NAS 100. It's not difficult, it's pretty much easy, just that you need to do your entries. On the smaller time frame. You need to enter on the smaller time frame. You can do your analysis on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, but when you enter the trade, we usually enter them on the 1-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. So now you know the secret to NAS 100. It's time for you to kill the market. Thank you very much, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.